I was paying $347 every month for AI video tools until I discovered this. Look, if you're creating videos in 2025, you need AI tools. But Google Veo costs $799 a year. Kling AI is $699. Luma Dream Machine is $499. It adds up fast. I was spending almost $5,000 annually just to stay competitive. Then I found OneVideoAI. Get this, it gives you access to all 8 premium AI tools for a one-time payment of just $14.95. That's Google Veo, Kling AI, Luma Dream Machine, Hyper, Stable Diffusion, Minimax, Mochi, and Hunyuan, all in one dashboard. Let me show you how fast this works. Simple text prompt, hit generate, and in 60 seconds, professional 4K video. No watermarks, commercial license included. I've created over 200 videos in the past month. My clients are paying me $500 to $2,000 per video. Here's the catch. This price increases every hour. I paid $14.95 last week, but by the time you're watching this, it could be $27, $47, or back to the full $97 monthly. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's literally zero risk. Look, whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this is a no-brainer. The link is in the description, but don't wait. Look, whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this is a no-brainer. The link is in the description, but don't wait.